Unit 4. Breakfast Recommendation.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like a large breakfast.
I like a large lunch.
Large lunch makes me sleepy.
Anyway, what do you recommend for breakfast?
The pancakes are good.
Pancakes. Delicious. What else?
Do you like eggs?
Yes, I like eggs.
Well, you could have some scrambled eggs with toast.
Ooh, or sunny side up eggs. Yummy.
Or sunny side up, right? Or an omelet.
Omelets. I love omelets. Cheese omelets, ham omelets, vegetable omelets.
Mixed fruit. Mixed fruit with yogurt makes a good breakfast.
That's right. And fruit has many vitamins too. What else?
What else? You could have a cup of coffee and a blueberry muffin.
Muffin. And a cup of coffee. Sounds good.
So, do you know what you want to get?
Yes, I do. And thank you for your recommendations.
Oh, you're welcome. So, what will you get?
A hamburger.
A hamburger?
Yes. And ice cream. What do you like to eat for breakfast? What do you recommend for breakfast?
Do you like eggs? Mixed fruit with yogurt makes a good breakfast. So, do you know what you want to get?
Yes, I do. And thank you for your recommendations.
Oh, you're welcome. So, what will you get?